Ihe bụ elewesịsị mgbọnụ na egbe ndị Ebubuagu eyisisiele ha akwa ile anyị ya afụ ka esi ewesịsị mgbọdịla egbe ha. Ifuru ka esi ewesịsị ya na moto ndị Ebubuagu.
Adeniji under bridge. They took that way and parked under the bridge. It was pitch dark. They brought me out and they started using knife, cutlass, different things on me. Now I'm fortified. I'm an African, so of course I don't take anything for granted. I don't take chances. So I'm fortified. So when they saw that the stabbing attempts on my body, the knife was not entering, their dagger, their kitchen knives, their cutlass, they tried to cut me. About 3 of them held my neck, another 2 held my hand to the back, and they put, you can see lacerations on my neck. They put knife on my neck to try and, slash my neck and slaughter me, but it wasn't penetrating. So I just had the leader telling them in Hausa that they should lie me down and use their boots. About 3 of them were wearing army uniforms, so they should use their boots to crush my head. So about 6 of them held me hand, leg, and 2 were using their boots to hit my eyes, hit my nose. They just wanted to knock me out. But so after some minutes, I just realized that I was getting dizzy and I was about to, faint. And once that happens, these people will take me and do what they want. So I reached out for my bag, which was on the floor, and nobody was noticing. They didn't notice it throughout all this thing. I used that, see blood from my mouth. I'm even bleeding internally. So I took out that knife with my right hand and I started, waving it in different directions. So it caught one of them in the tummy. His tummy got busted, one in the neck, another one in the eye, and they started bleeding profusely. So their leader was telling them that maybe they have gotten all these remaining ones who are asleep. Let them carry them and go and deliver them. They should leave me, that at the end of the day I will die there with what they had done to me. So they all rushed off, and this is me, bleeding on my throat. My nose is broken. My eye inside something is fundamentally wrong. My eyes, my mouth. I just want to, clean up and then go to the hospital for medical attention. People, it is real. All the people I just talked about were northerners. These people have entered even Lagos state. They have entered Lagos. They have penetrated Lagos. They picked me up from that Lekki Ikoyi roundabout. That Ikoyi that links Lekki and Ikoyi, that bridge. That's where they picked me up. That kind of highbrow environment, that kind of prestigious, luxurious environment is where these people picked me. Now, my pity is to all the about 8 other passengers who they've carried wherever they are carrying, and they're going to die definitely. Guys, you just have to be careful out there. That's what this is about. I'm still grateful for life.
You can imagine the situation that people are passing through. When you talk, they quick to shun you, they quick to tell you, don't say it, they are not the one. But do you know that the protection they give to the people from northern part of Nigeria, how is the federal government of Nigeria is giving such protection to everyone in the country? Do you think that people will everly raise up to say they want to go or they need Biafra? No. It's just that they don't want to listen to anybody. Only what they knows how to do, or the people they want to listen to, is the northern part of Nigeria. Any other person become a second class citizen. So tell me, who will accept it? Nobody. All what they do is that they value their cow more than human. And again, you see what is going on right now as Ebubuagu is there doing what they knows how to do best. When people are running up and down, front and back, you will never see anybody issuing a word concerning it. Now that the Ebubuagu has done whatever they want to do, is now that if the uniform men or the policemen coming to talk with them, you can see that they are just like two people that are rubbing minds together. These people, they are aware of everything, so there is no need of them trying to do as if they are quarreling with the Ebubuagu. See, all these people, they are one. They know exactly what is happening, and they know exactly what the Ebubuagu has done. So do you really think that there is any need for them trying to talk to each other? No, because they are the same people. So my correalistic people, this is the update that I've brought for you. Don't forget, the uniform men, they are just pretending with Ebubuagu as if they love the people. Trying to squad Ebubuagu is not true. They know exactly what they are doing and what has happened. So my correalistic people, please do well to share the video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.